The Bod Gyal remix. What me say? Young Devyn Talibans Bod Gyal remix. Yeah man, Byron, Messia, Young Devyn Taliban. We're gonna check it out right now. This was requested by OPJ Keys Music and OPJ Ski Music. Who else requested? And OPJ Keys Music. Sorry, yeah. Skilly. I think Skilly also requested this one, right? But anyway, this one was requested by OPJ Keys Music. Skilly. I don't know. We're gonna check it out and see what go on. This is Young Devyn Taliban's Bod Gyal remix. Let's get it. Is she from New York? Easy. Yeah, I hope she ain't. I hope she not there weird there, you know. You know what I'm saying? I hope she not. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I hope she just talented and just life with just like that.
Girl, me from which part? Trini bone skin, I say my been bad. Body chopping on my city like quicksand. Me see a killer boy turn into a victim. Damage to a little quick down.
Man say, me see body dropping on me. It's like quicksand. Me see a killer boy turn victim. A killer we killing now, we not kill innocent people, brother. You see me we against living and killer we kill. How is that a killer we kill? I forgot how. Damn, I forgot that song from, boy. Yeah, man. Hey, I like this. This is a remix too. She just freestyling?
Dance pan my wristband. Before me ease, but them killies your parking stand. The 90s is a part of where me live from. But I know years I could see it pan my distance. Pull up this song every time you have a spliff man. You see me hotter than a dry cigarette. Used to live a life me have to try to forget.
Hey, I like her. She got more music. Trini girl them bodies.
With a 89 from a bed. Any girl I send her this, I put a 5 on your head. Easy. When I was singing so cold.
Man say she say any girl send her this, she put a 5 on their head. Easy no mama. Easy mama. You know if you dirt them head. You just a start their car easy.
Didn't believe me. Now I could tell promoter make my water off Fiji. And finding that my mother know she got on TV. So tell her up if it's water. Send it from my desktop. Instagram chat, we don't respect that.
Whoa. They say tell me ups them. Where this don't send it from my desktop. More hear that. She said she bad. She bad man. Let me hear what she said. What she said?
Tell her up if it's water. Send it from my desktop. Instagram chat, we don't respect that. But yeah, my blessings from my left.
Don't send it from my desktop. The Instagram chat, we don't respect that. That's facts. That's right. They're talking behind the keyboard shit, nigga. Talking behind the screen shit. We don't respect that, man. You know real G. We don't respect that. Man or woman, we don't respect that. You say it with your chest. You feel me? You gotta say it with your chest if you mean that shit, man.
If I'm real bad girl, hold tongue, know where me rep from. If it's war, I promise I go in that. Now with the bullet, take a chit chat, yeah. That's how them end up in a red cross. Pretty little face in a cute small waist, but I could really do my big one. I was wildin' up with diamonds for Jada Kingdom. From the island, she exotic and she sings songs. Took to the starlets, we was popping Migos like big guns. And to make it even better, we made a hit song. Like yeah, but tell me that you love me even though I might share your feelings with somebody even though I'm right there. You was my little dream, but we turned a nightmare. See, nothing would it seemed that was never.
Say it was my little dream, but you're turning a nightmare. Hey, let's stop terrorizing woman them. Alright. Stop terrorizing woman them life, man. I'm to you, man. Sure.
Type fair, okay though. I just take my cheese, get my queso. Once you lie to me, then this case closed. Oh, your vibe is weak, but I ain't though. Baby, come and vibe.
Yeah, if you ever give me a case closed, if you have vato speak, but that, hey. Easy.
With me, let's not be childish. I can show you finer things. Here go my stylist. You can tell me all your dreams. I mean the wildest. Probably could afford them things if I be honest. But yeah, me not take that.
Shit, I live my dream there in New Orleans. I couldn't afford them things there. If me I be honest, you know what I'm saying?
You give money, I forget back. You think about it,
hey, mama, no, mama. No, I thought you was a good girl. No, you just give away. You're not good as. Woman, good girl no give back one man. I want to tell you, mama. I don't say a word around here. Why you gonna do it? Cause I did it. That I problem no woman there. No woman nowadays. No, just follow fashion. You see me? Why you wanna do it? Because I did. Just call me give you a little bun. You don't have to give back a bun. You're supposed to be the bigger person. You're supposed to rise above. Why you want to give back bun, man? Them things not right, man. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, man, they get a little bun, man. A good girl, you know, hold them things and know, say, you know what? Me not do it, you know. Messia, I cut it off and go your ways, you know. Or, you know, she put up a little time out, so you think about it, you know, boy. You don't give it to me, man. You don't give it to me. You just give it like, you just make me feel even better about it. Like, you know, I'm glad me do what I do, you know. Because that girl a junker, you know. You see me? John, I'm not feel about one, man. I'm here, man.
Bend back, get my Trini from a distance. Eyes up bad, y'all don't forget that.
Go me here say Trini girl in the whole wrong for fuck pan, you know. Hey, let me know in the comment section. Keys, Skilly, OPJ, let me know if I true. Babo, you know what I'm saying? Serena, let me know if I true. Yeah, them say yo. Levels boss, let me know if I true. Them say yo. Trini girl in the ramp for fuck pan, you know, man. If you fuck up, you know, man. You know what I'm saying? Let me know if I true dog or if I lie.
You want boy, you must have been mad. I'm Mary Jean, I'm a flyer than a Six Flags. Inside the bad girl mixed and yeah.
Yo, she say I'm Mary Jeans, I'm a flyer than a Six Flags. Easy, mama.
Know what I said? Bad girl deaf. Never dumb. Expect I'm in the
Y'all put me on. Oh, young Devyn, I fuck with her. I'm gonna check out some more tracks from her, man. Yeah, it's a vibe. Yeah, man, me enjoy the one day. Yeah, man, guys. Yo, it's lit. Y'all in here, y'all showing your boy love. I appreciate y'all. Make sure as you come in, you hitting that like button, you hitting that subscribe button, you sharing. You know what I'm saying? And you enjoying, man. We're gonna do this on the regular, man. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do this on the regular. More dope ass lives coming. We got dope ass reactions. Hey, I'm trying to get even a better camera, you know, so the quality and everything is better, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. Why she got signed to Universal? That was wait, a few years ago. How long she been out? A few years ago. That means say how long she been out? Her album was lit. Hey, y'all want album reactions, man? Cause I've been meaning to do some album reactions.